Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Bosch washing machine and you're getting an E08 error on your machine. So what is this error and how to get rid of it? So to start out, the E08 error is an excessive heating time error, which means that the machine has turned the heater on to heat up the water, and it is allotted a certain amount of time for that water to get hot, and the water is not getting hot. Or the machine is sensing that the water is not getting hot. So this could be a heating issue or a sensor issue. So the first thing that I would do if I'm getting this error is just do a hard reset on the machine. Turn it off, unplug it from power, leave it unplugged for a full minute, then plug it back in and see if it wasn't just some kind of anomaly in the control board or something like that that's throwing up this error. The next thing you're going to want to do is check all the wiring inside that goes to the heating element and stuff like that, and make sure there's nothing loose or anything like that or disconnected. And then if that doesn't work, you're probably going to need to replace the heating element in the washing machine. Anyways, so yeah, that's what the issue is, and hopefully you're able to get rid of it. And thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.